Welcome to LearnerStop. This is Samiksha, and today I will be discussing with you about the differences between the Prime Minister of India and the President of USA. So firstly, let's have a look at the definition of the two forms of government which are prevalent in India and in USA. So, the parliamentary form of government, which is in India, it is the one in which the executive is responsible to the legislature for its policies and acts, whereas in the presidential form of government, it is the one in which the executive is not responsible to the legislature for its policies and acts and is constitutionally independent of the legislature in respect of its term of office. Okay, so there are few other names by which these type of governments are called. So basically, you can say that the parliamentary form of government is also called cabinet government or responsible government or Westminster model of government. Then the presidential form of government is also known as non-responsible government or fixed executive system of government. So these are some of the names. Okay, so while talking about both these types of government, the PM of India is the head of government and the President of USA is the head of state as well as head of government. So basically, head of state means he or she is holding ceremonial position, and this head of government means leads executive organs of the government. Okay, so we will have a look at few examples of these type of governments. So starting with parliamentary form of government. So first example is Britain, next is Japan, Canada and India. Then we will have a look at the presidential form of government. So United States of America, Brazil, Russia and Sri Lanka. Okay, so talking about the tenure of both these types of government. So PM of India is having tenure of 5 years and President of USA is having tenure of 4 years. Okay, talking about election process. So in the election process, the PM of India is nominated or elected by members of Lok Sabha, which is also called lower house, and in case of President of US, he or she is elected by electoral college. So next we will talk about the veto power. So the PM of India is not having any veto power and he has to get the support of cabinet and then approved by the president. Next, the President of US is having veto power, and now we will talk about the powers to dissolve lower house. So in India it is Lok Sabha and in US it is House of Representatives. So PM of India can dissolve Lok Sabha, but the President of US cannot dissolve House of Representatives. So this was one basic difference. So lastly, I would like to ask you one question. Which form of government do you think is more efficient and preferable according to you? Do comment in the comment section, and thank you so much for watching, and keep learning and keep growing.